Hello, happy Sunday. Dana Thomas here. Just wanted to share a little bit about how to be a leader for a community basically in the middle of a crisis. This has been a conversation because I feel like I'm a leader in my community and a leader in business. But how can we, as a community, take the next step to find solutions for people so then people aren't so scared? And I don't know about you, but I'm scared. With all this pandemic going on, how can we help? So, hi Tim and Elena, thanks for watching. So right now is prime time. We need to not tear people down or be greedy, but we need to step up and lift people up. It's all about that positive reinforcement. Yes, there's a lot going on in the world, but being around positive people, like I mentioned before, is huge. And you want to lift people up and stuff like that. Stop being greedy or hoarding groceries, canned foods, toilet paper, you name it. And start sharing, right? We want to start sharing with other people. We need to work as a community, a team, to help a nationwide first responders. We also need to help our elderly with low immune systems. So these are the four things I'm really going to dive in more on what the solution is and how you can be a leader in your community. Are you sitting there wondering how you can be a leader for your community? Well, I have a few things that I came up with and that others are doing as well. These are great solutions for you and your loved ones in your communities. Adrian and Tori, thanks for hopping on. Here are a few things. So ask any of your loved ones or neighbors, friends, that are elderly that need help grocery shopping, because a lot of those people, it's hard for them to get around, and we don't need them to be around so many people if they have a low immune system. So help them. Okay? Sharing is caring, everyone. Sharing is caring. If you have multiple items that you don't need. So I know that there's a lot of people going out and buying a whole bunch of stuff for groceries, stocking up just in case something else happens and they close down, completely lock down. You need to share it with your friends or your family. This is something that happened earlier this week. My parents, actually, they went to multiple grocery stores or stores to find toilet paper. Like, oh my gosh, people are being greedy to the point where they're not sharing with other people. There's other people out there that need supplies. So they actually ended up kind of just talking it out with their friends, and their friend was like, oh, I got some spare. She gave a whole case full. So if you just ask, it's going back to asking. So if you ask what you need and want to your friends, your family, whoever, you shall receive. Support local restaurants to deliver to your local hospital. So this is something I'm actually, I am doing with my new community at Wolf Ranch in Georgetown, and we are raising money to support local restaurants in the Georgetown area, and then that gives the community as the residents to be involved, and also just anyone that wants to basically donate money. And we go support a restaurant and deliver it to a local hospital. So I totally recommend that. If you want to get together with some friends or family, and there's a lot of restaurants that may need support during this time. So that's totally a recommendation. Also, masks. So this is another thing. If you stocked up Of course, I did not stock up on masks or anything because I didn't even think this was going to happen, but it's happening. So if you stocked up on masks and you're not sick and you're wearing your mask, there's other people that that need that, especially our first responders in the medical centers and hospitals. I know that there's a lot of people that are running out. I have some friends and family, both that are doctors, nurses, firefighters, you name it. First off, I want to appreciate and I thank you all that are in as a first responder for doing what you're doing. We want to be here without you, but needless to say, if you have extra masks at home, please donate. So that's something you can also do. Donate masks to your local hospital or medical center. You can also, if anyone sews, I'm not huge into sewing. I don't know a lot, but my grandma or family, whoever, may know. So if you know how to sew, that would be a great way you can donate and sew a mask, homemade mask. Tons of hospitals are requesting people to start making them. Believe it or not, they're running out of supplies, as you probably have been seeing on the news, and there's a lot of healthcare professionals that are actually at home making their own masks so then they can survive this, patient to patient. So super important. I would totally recommend it. These are my recommendations, and really, this is me as a leader. I'm trying to lead the community with solutions, and this is something that one of my life coaches, Andrea Quinn, shout out to you, she mentioned leaders walk through the unknown even when they are scared. So we may be scared, but we're going to still be walking through it. That is what she said, and totally true. Just want to share, I found a couple articles that explain how to basically make a proper healthcare mask. If you're interested, please reach out to me, and I'd love to share that article with you so you can help in any way you can. All right. Well, anyways, I hope this video brought you great value. I am on here just to share as much as I can, because I am leading in the community and I want to share. So anyways, have a great night. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.